Okay, not sure how well this will show up. This is on the driver's side of my friend's car. And yeah, she has a crack in her roof. So let's take a look at it from the outside. All right, here we go. We have a crack right here. Goes up this way. I'm using my finger to make sure I see it because it's a little hard to see at times. Okay, whoops. Yeah, I lost track of where it is. Okay, anyway. There we go. It was actually halfway up here somewhere. Anyway, let's see if we can do something about it. All right, so this looks a little nasty, and well, to be fair, a crack like this is pretty nasty. So there we go. What I've taken is, when they give you a kit, they give you a thumbtack, and you're supposed to kind of dig into the hole. But in this case, it's not a hole. It's not just one little hole. It's a long crack. That's actually, what, 1.5 feet long. Okay, so I've taken the thumbtack, I've dug into the crack. So next step is to clean up and try to get ready to lay in resin. Up here I have these tape marks. The tape marks are just to help me visualize where the crack is. Although now that I've dug into it, you can clearly see it, right? All right, so let's get after it. Okay, so this is the kit I bought, JB Weld. It's actually the only one they had at that Walmart I was looking at. Windshield saver. So this is really about all these little holes you can get in your windshield, but it contains the resin, contains an applicator. No, that's probably for this. Okay, prep wipe, push pin, cure strip. So cure strip you're supposed to use to light it flat, and I'm going to try to get it flat. Although, to tell you the truth, nobody noticed it until I said, wait, there's a crack right there, as I was standing right next to it. Okay, so the plan is to take the resin, spread it into the crack, and hopefully that'll stabilize. Okay, here's the other side of the box. It has the instructions. Yes, and here's the strip that I'm going to use. So I'll put a pin into prep. So the prep is to dig into the hole and make it bigger. Put down suction cup, put on the pedestal, put in the applicator, pour the glue into it. Okay, we're not going to do any of this part, but we are going to do this part. And that is use the strip to kind of flatten it out so it's not sticking up anywhere. Yeah. Okay, well. Yeah, need to let it dry and set. But what we do is just went along the crack that we dug out and applied the resin. And then smooth it out with a little plastic sheet. And yes, I put a little tape here just in case, just to protect the paint. Let's see how it works. Okay, so after a little bit of curing, there was some stuff that was on the glass. And I just took the razor blade was provided in the kit. Just took the razor blade and scraped off what was left. And then we'll go from here. Hopefully that gives it enough stability so it doesn't crack any further. But this is a pretty bad crack. But anyway, we'll see how it goes.